Hello students, I am Mr. Shivkumar sir and I am here to teach you all tenses, but not in long time, in short time. So let's begin. We are studying tenses, that is group D, and group D का नाम है perfect continuous tenses. उसमें का second tense we want to understand and study today, and its name is past perfect continuous. So how are we going to understand tenses? With the structure and its usage. So let me write structure that will help you to understand what is past perfect continuous. So structure or formula of past perfect continuous is subject plus helping verb in bracket we have had plus then that is only be. ये perfect जो indicate करता है वो भी indicate करता है. उसके बाद में ये V4 then object or complement. So this is the structure of past perfect continuous, right? तो इसका जो एग्जांपल है वो बहुत सिंपल है, क्योंकि इसमें एक ही हेल्पिंग वर्ब होने की वजह से हमारे जो पर्सन्स है, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, वो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे डिवाइड नहीं होने वाले. सबके सबके साथ हमको हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड ही यूज करना है. इसलिए देखो, जो फर्स्ट पर्सन है हमारे पास आई और वी, सेकंड पर्सन है हमारे पास यू, थर्ड पर्सन है हमारे पास सिंगुलर उसमें ही, शी, इट, और प्लूरल है हमारे पास दे. ये सभी सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे है, यही हेल्पिंग वर्ब लेने वाले हैं. ये आई वी यू दे ही शी इट दे, ये जो वर्ड है दे आर कॉल्ड एज सब्जेक्ट, दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. देन बी working in the office, working in the office. Here win is called as V3, this is V4, and or in the office this is called as complement. Or so here how to read? I had been working in the office, we had been working in the office, we had been working in the office. We want to read like this. So what is the use of past perfect continuous? Its use is what? Any action which starts in the past and it ran continuously for longer time in the past, but it has no connection with present. To describe such a long actions we use past perfect continuous. एक्शन पास्ट में चालू होती है, पास्ट में कंटिन्यूसली ज़्यादा देर तक चलती है, उसका प्रेजेंट से कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं होता. इस तरह के लंबे एक्शंस हम पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस के साथ कंटिन्यूस में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैड बीन वर्किंग इन द ऑफिस, इट मींस I started working in the office in the past. I worked in the office continuously, but now I am not in that office. For example, second example, I had been living in Pune for 5 years. Okay. तो had plus been plus before, इसकी वजह से हमको पता चलता है कि ये पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस है. मगर इस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग क्या है? It means that I started living in Pune before 5 years. I lived there for 5 years, but now I am not in Pune. I may be in California, America, Japan, somewhere else, but not in Pune. It means action has no connection with present. That's called past perfect continuous. I hope you must have understood it. So, students, if you understood my video, please you do not forget to like it, share it, subscribe it, and do not forget to hit its bell icon also. And practice makes man perfect. Therefore, you will get too many practice examples on our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you.